Morning guys, it is Halloween, October 31st, Saturday morning. This morning I got a call from a lady. I put a furnace in for her, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. And she's got no heat. I guess her brother lives on the down in the basement, and she lives on the first floor now. I have done work for her. That's a lady with the electrical panel that was all screwed up, that she had screwed all the different fuses in there. And place is quite the flipping mess. Unbelievable. But anyway, she got no heat calling me, and she's freezing over there. They might have the flipping power off to it, knowing these cats. But we'll go over there and see what's going on with it. I mean, gotta get them heat. I know it's a 90 plus furnace. I haven't done no service to that thing, so I mean, it could be anything with these guys. Could be kind of nasty down there too. Got all kinds of sleeping pills all over the floor last time I was there, and I mean, it was bad. So we're taking another dive in there, see if we get the heat working for them. I know that it might even need she says that might need a thermostat. Thermostat on the wall upstairs was kind of all busted and hanging off the flipping wall. We'll see. I'm working out of the pickup today, so might be an interesting call. Looks like a window smashed. Look at this, the window smashed. Unbelievable. That one works?
Yeah, I'm just... There, almost. I'm there. Did it come
It work? Yeah, it's on now.
Oh, okay. So take your time now. And I have a new vent, you know. And I noticed this. Let me put the cigarette out. So
Well, you got the power off to the unit for one thing. I mean, you got all the panels off this thing. You got the power.
Well, wait a second. Let me come in here.
Somebody's changed the board here. I mean, that wasn't me. The power's off. Turn that switch on right there. Push that button there, because that's...
This one?
There should be a button here for this, because that's good. Yeah. See how that's red like that? That's not right.
And see, you know what?
All right, hang on a minute. Let me put the cover back on.
But let me show you.
Yeah.
Because I don't think too fast. See this right here where I duct taped it?
Yeah.
That's because when it was sticking out,
Yeah, it wouldn't work.
it wouldn't work. So I pressed it in. I don't know why. And then it worked.
All right, let me do my thing.
All right, you do your thing, sir, and I'll stay out of your way. I'll be sitting by my brother.
Good.
All right.
Is he still on the sleeping pills, this guy, or what?
No,
No?
he just got out of the hospital.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, he was in there for about 3 months. So I had to pay for his insurance, you know.
Now, do you got the thermostat turned up upstairs?
I'm going to go turn it up, too.
Yeah, turn it up.
One time my daddy told me it was the thermostat.
Could be. Oh, this guy's always flipping sleeping pills. Look at this shit. Wow. Holy shit, guy. Look at this fucking... Unbelievable.
It can go. You know, it's a lot cleaner up there. If you want to look at it.
Yeah, we'll look at it in a minute.
All right, then.
Oh, that was tripped. That's on. Somebody's played around with this thing. Make sure everything's hooked up right. Red and white, we got that hooked up right. I don't think that there's any power to it. Something don't seem right. Something's wrong here. Unbelievable. Don't seem like there's any power. Doesn't seem like there's any power to this thing.
Oh, I'm bothering you. Alright, I'm going back up.
See if we got any power. We got the neutral here. The L1 coming in, I should have power. No power. I've got no power coming in this thing. That's on. I want this emergency switch somewhere. This place is a fucking disaster. Hello?
Oh, it's me.
You got an emergency switch somewhere? A red switch up high on a wall?
I know where there's a red switch.
Where is it?
I'll show you. Oh, that bloody snooper. And the red pepper.
Where's the red switch?
It's in the cellar here.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, it's up top there.
Is that it?
That's on, because I got no power. I got no power to the unit.
I don't understand. You want me to plug it into my bedroom?
No, I don't.
That'll work.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it will.
I got no power. I got no power coming into this thing. No electrical power.
Well, let me plug it into my...
No, don't play around with it, ma'am. Let me do my job, please.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, let me do my job.
I'm sorry, sir. I'll be back.
It's got no electrical power coming into this thing. That's why it's not running. This place is a flipping disaster. Should have power coming in here. On-off switch, and then it goes down. Right, and it feeds that. Should have power there. Okay, I got power coming in, so it must be that. I got power coming in there. We got power coming in there, so that's good. Must have a broken switch here or something, maybe. Let's see. It's black. Turn the power back on. No power going through this switch here. Okay, that's a bad switch. It's a bad switch. Got a bad switch there, so we can fix that. We'll put a piggyback on there. It's a bad switch. We'll put a piggyback. I'll shut the power off. We'll put a piggyback on there. I'll take care of that. Power's off right now, so I'm not going to get shocked. But, so that's going to jump it out, right? So it's not going to... It's going to jump out that switch, so there'll always be power going to it now. Flip a mess. I got the power off right yet, so still got the power off. Some kind of crazy disease or something from this place. Right. I didn't even try pushing that in, that's a bad switch, so. Got the fucking gas valve off. Got the gas valve off too. Moron. It's on now. Unbelievable. Shit they pulled apart. Guys got all kinds of flipping sleep aids. I mean, loaded with it. Alright, so we got this back on. When I came here, this was off. Had a bad door switch. Even with the door switch pushed in all the way, it wouldn't send power through it, so I jumped it out, replaced the filter. Jumped out door switch, replaced filter. It's running now. I put it back in, well, 4 years ago, almost 5 years ago. Somebody's been playing around. Somebody changed the board. That wasn't me. But it's running now. They got heat. What a flipping disaster. I know that this was off last time I came by here. They must have put that back on. See if I can get paid for this fucking job now. Unbelievable.
But now the thing is St. Ian's is only right down the street, and I won't be able to sleep tonight until I pay you for your service. Honest to goodness.
Alright, so I got that there.
Okay, so yeah, I wear those sometimes.
You wear those?
Yeah, I do. Right, and I hate to bother your time, but look, I've only got 2 fingers.
Oh, what happened?
I was in the service and my gun back.